Hello and welcome, this is EMS-AFRICA, and in our today's discussion we'll be looking at how to use the SAM Splint. And in this video I'll be taking you through how do you manage an injury at the elbow. So before we start, kindly subscribe. After ensuring your scene is safe, you want to approach the patient and you quickly assess the area of the injury. Then quickly take your equipment, and in this, as you ask this person to maintain in that position, get the SAM Splint. You want to measure the correct size of the SAM Splint, as you can see in this how it's being measured. Okay, so measure so that you ensure you have the right size, and the next thing, the excess, you can just fold it, ensure it fits properly, and to ensure that it does a good stabilization of the hand, ensure it fits the hand. So you fold it so that it can fit properly, as you can see in this video. So as you're doing that, ensure the hand remains in that comfortable position, then fit it properly, as you can see here. It has fitted properly, and then the next thing you want to do is securing so that it maintains in that position. The hand remains immobilized and it's not able to move. Remember, any movement when we have an injury, it's painful. Then have your crepe bandage. This time round, you want to secure this SAM Splint with a crepe bandage that can provide a proper stabilization of the hand. So using that as our bandage, ensure you have the hand in the most comfortable position, and the position that ensures that there's good flow of the blood or circulation. Then immediately you want secure, as you can see here, secure the hand properly. You can see the principle of splinting below the hand, the area of the injury, and above the area of the injury. One thing we want to do is always avoid the area of the injury. We don't want to compress that area. That's why we're skipping here. The aim is we want to prevent the development of crash injuries, especially compartment syndrome. If it takes long for us to take this patient to the hospital, then crash injuries can develop, because we want to allow the area to keep on the swelling. We allow the space. Then you want to secure with the pins, or you can just tuck it in, as shown in that video. So as you can see, the hand has been stabilized. Thank you very much for watching, and this is EMS-AFRICA. For more, kindly don't fail to subscribe and hit the notification for more videos on EMS and on first aid skills. Thank you very much. Hope to see you in my next video.